New find. Tony Kelly and his brother Dave are the dancehall hitmakers. Another looking like it's already in the bag. Tony Kelly's latest production pairing Tifa with UK-based newcomer Kalia. She's cute.
Right now I'm just on the road doing the promo thing because I'm new, so I need to get everyone to know who Kalia is. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm just off a Jamaica and what's there. I'm there.
Over there, she did commercial voiceovers, has a knack for accents.
I have an array of, accents that I can do. I can be, from California. That's not a problem.
New Tony Kelly find, London bred, but living here since January. The connection made via Shaggy.
I met Shaggy and I sent him my music and he was like, he loves it. I can introduce you to a producer who, could bring out some vibes in you. So I linked up with Tony Kelly when I came out here and I was like, yeah, this is it, the legendary Tony Kelly.
Stonewall leak out.
Legendary gets bandied around a lot, but Kelly's credits as a dancehall producer, not to mention those of his brother Dave, impressive indeed. Deport them like glue, everyone falls in love, and many more.
It's a pleasure and like a blessing to have an artist or an artist that that listens and that have a drive and the understanding and you get the concept or the goal. Because I don't do anything that's just okay, let's stay local or in the Caribbean scene. No, then it's not working for Jamaica. Then it's not beneficial. So we have to have that vision where you want to take over the world, and to find an artist like believe in it and be like, okay, let's do that. Okay, all right, you're making this a certain amount of money. We're not going to settle or then start lose the focus. We're going to drive harder.
Collabs with Tifa, DJ Stoneboy from Ghana and Busy Signal already in the bag. Ride Up already gathering momentum. No regrets about moving to Jamaica. You feel that you have to be in Jamaica?
Yeah, I mean, dancehall is not just the music, it's the way of life, I say that all the time, and it gives me so much inspiration being here, and to work with like the top producer here, so being in Jamaica is the best move I've ever made. There's similarities in not just the dancehall scene in the UK. I mean, we have, grime music. A lot of music in the UK and a lot of things in the UK is influenced by Jamaica. Jamaica's such an influential country. So you listen to a lot of grime music, you listen to J Hus, Skepta, Stormzy. A lot of Jamaican influences are in, that type of music in the UK.
The London girl smitten with yard.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and I want to capture that as well and show the world. Like even on my pictures that I post on Instagram, anything, I'm always trying to portray Jamaica in a beautiful light, because in the media overseas we don't always get that recognition of how beautiful Jamaica is. So for me, Jamaica is beauty, Jamaica's paradise.
And right now you're spending a lot of time in the studio.
A lot of, it's either the studio, my house, or the beach. That's where I am.
How did you meet Busy Signal?
So he came to the studio for a session with Tony Kelly, and I was here. I'm always here. And we kind of just worked on something together. Like I said, it's the vibe. It just happened. And the songs that we worked on, I absolutely love them. I really can't wait to release them.
A video already shot with Busy.
That one is called Bada, because no girl out there no better than me.
We always say talent, but I don't think talent is the number one. I think when you have the drive, the drive and just want to get there, then the talent will come. We can build up on the talent, and but she has the talent, and she has the drive, and she has the class, and she has the style, and she has the young, fresh vibe.
In dancehall, the ladies perpetually playing catch-up.
It is male dominated. It's not just dancehall music. It's really any industry, isn't it? So I do want to see more. I say a lot of dancehall female artists to just come out of Jamaica and just represent to the world and show them that we have it.
Kalia poised to deliver.
Ooh la la.